All right. Sign.Vote is a private entertainment panel made up of real moviegoers who provide feedback on new and unreleased content in return for free movie tickets. So that's right. You can view private user generated movies or just movies in general where they will send you movie trailers and stuff like that, and you can participate in reviewing those movies and giving your honest thought feedback for it. I'm not going to take you into my real account. This is just a general page because they have security measures in place. If anything's to get leaked, they could sue me. So I'm not going to go through the hassle of actually logging in with into my account because I don't want you guys to see anything. But this is a legit way to get free movie tickets. I thought it was kind of cool that they have a membership like that. It's a private only member. So if you Google it, sign.vote /line up, it will take you through a process of signing up. That's the way I did it. And then they will select you. They will have you do like a screener where you have to, sit there and watch a movie, answer questions, say that you will agree to their terms. And if you don't agree to their terms, and if you don't specify what you liked about the movie very thoroughly, on that little small snippet, you spend about an hour and they send it to you like in the middle of the night, like at 1 or 2 o'clock in the morning. So if you are like a night owl, like that's perfect for you. So you really don't have anything else going on around that time. So try to make sure you are very thorough about your movie review, what you like, what you didn't like. And if you did not like it, then you need to tell them exactly why you didn't like it. Like, I didn't like this because I didn't like it. It's not a good answer. I didn't like this because the character felt like it needed more character development. The scene didn't make sense to me because there were just two people talking and I didn't really understand the context behind it. Those are the more specificality answers that they're looking for. They're not just looking for you to say I didn't like it because I didn't like it. Anybody can say that, and that's not giving them good feedback. So make sure when you get invited into this particular invite only, that you really, have 4 or 5 sentences to kind of support your thesis sentence. So you remember like when you was in high school or you was in college and they asked you to write a 10-page paper and you have your thesis, this is what you're going to be talking about, and then all the other paragraphs that support that thesis. That's kind of like what you essentially kind of have to do in order to make sure that you're staying active and that you're going to actually be thorough in your answers. Because if you're not going to be thorough in your answer, I'm sorry, this is not the particular program for you. You might could do it on other surveys, but this one, they take security and they take your answers very seriously. So if you think that you're going to just write anything, I'm sorry, this will not be the program for you. um, so it's made up of real moviegoers who provide feedback on new and unreleased content in return to free movie tickets. So you get free movie tickets. So like I think once you get to 30 credits or something like that, or 40 credits, then you can redeem it for a $10 voucher to be able to go and watch a AMC movie or whatever vouchers that they have for the particular movie. So it's a free way to get free movie tickets. So that's something that I think a lot of people don't know about, and I just wanted to kind of bring that to your attention. Let me know if this is something that you like, something that you don't like. But again, I'm always here to help you and make sure that you don't forget about that big Halloween assignment project that I said a week ago to do. Please, please, please don't miss out on that opportunity to make money. Let me know how this is go. Let me know if you ever heard of this. Let me know if you are currently part of this. It's fun. Like, I think I got like 3 credits so far. I gotta still build them up so I can get a movie ticket. But they send it to you like every couple of days, so they move really quickly. They do take a little bit of time to get back with you, and that's perfectly normal because I guess they have an actual human to review it. But other than that, let me know if you like it. But I'm going to end this now.